Well, folks, it looks like this 57 Chevy has actually reached lowrider status. Yes. Not sure exactly how low to the ground it is, but it looks like it's about maybe 4 inches. Maybe a little lower than that. I don't know. But if you look at the other side and compare it to this side, you can see that this side is actually higher. Oh yeah, there's definitely about 3 or 4 inches higher on this side. You can see how it's leading to the passenger side. See if I can get a straight shot at it. Now, gotta go behind this. Okay, you can see just how much it's leading. And I'm holding the camera straight, so yeah. Wonder if you can see it from the back. I don't know how the heck we're going to hold this straight, but okay, you can see it. She is leaning. It's all right. Lowrider status works for me. And my hair's a mess, I know that, so we're just going to do this. You can see just how low it's sitting. I mean, heck, I'm standing up, so, you know. Boy, I'll tell you, something else. All right. Like and subscribe. Ring the bell for post notifications. Leave a comment down below. Bye.